So I haven't heard yet, but maybe the first snow of the year, coupled with COVID, could drive you to insanity, which is my attempt today to go for a little bike ride in what is about, depends how drifted it is. It might be 3, it might be 4, it might be 5 inches of snow. Who knows? But anyways, the chesty GoPro is ready. Hopefully got the battery here for the bike. And in we go. And the trusty bike is ready. Okay, here we go. Well, call me crazy. We got power up to my normal whatever. Gate might be a problem. Whoa! Seems like fun. We seem to have a snowdrift. Whoa. In front of the gate, and yes, I am running to keep up with the bicycle. Put it down. Neighbor's gonna miss this. Okay, the secret to getting into our house. Okay, here we go. Got a full battery almost. Hopefully out to the trails. No phone display this time. Oh, glasses are fogging up a bit. Be surprised. Okay. The goal, make it to the trail. Goal, maybe to make it down the driveway. Accomplished. Here we go. I'm warm enough. Not too slippery. See how fast I can get going here in the snow. Seems a little snow in my fenders there, but I'll get a warm water bath after. I'm up to 27. It's still snowing. I don't know if anything's getting on the camera. I guess I'll find out. Brakes work, sort of. Okay. Almost at the trail. Masterful plowing job here in the sweet south. I don't know how long the battery will go. Hello, Carrie. I have to thank my chiropractor for making this all possible after he worked on me this morning. Okay, here we go, just through. I might even have to pedal. Looks like a snowdrift coming up. Whoa! Hello! Glasses could be an issue. But I think there's a trail underneath me here. I can even pedal a little bit. Thank you once again, Joe, for straightening out my back. It should last a couple days, but no volleyball. Hopefully the camera's not getting full of snow. I did try and climatize it first. Some poor guy, maybe a worker, was on his bicycle there and found that pedaling is not the way to go. On the way back, I might try a little selfie stick But I guess since I can't travel the world right now, I might as well travel my backyard. I've made it a whole block. My attempt is to get up to Peely Island Winery and then maybe turn around. No car coming. He's gonna wonder what the hell that bicycle is doing. Of course, the guy on the bicycle is wondering what the hell he is doing. Okay. Yeah, the glasses might have to come off and go in the pocket. A little pedaling here. People have walked down here today. First snow of the year in southern Ontario, and Windsor, although you're almost finished right now, we're still getting it down here at the corner. I could go to a McDonald's and pick myself up a nice, what are those desserts called? Frosty? Maybe not. Boy, this is actually kind of fun. Coming up to Main Street here. I'm going to go a little further because it's a little prettier once you get past. Cheesecake on a Stick is not open. We're under red alert right now, so I don't think anybody's going to come within 6 meters of me. Whoop, but I gotta have... Okay. There's a little bit of slippage there. Might ride home with my glasses off. Into the wind, that only makes sense, eh? Still managing about 30 kilometers an hour. Oh. Okay. Do we dare go a little further? I can't remember the name of this side road. Ah, bicycle tracks. Or these skis. Oh, yeah, I forgot about skis. Don't get to use them very often down here. I think I'll get out of their tracks. We got some fruit trees over here. It's unusual in the land of greenhouses and too much light in the sky and too much noise from transport trucks. Yeah. Oh well. A nice little ride. Put on about 2 kilometers. I think it's time to skid out and turn around and maybe pull out the selfie stick. The real challenge is not to get any snow on the lens. So I will turn this bike around. There's got to be an easier way than this. Okay. Standard 5K 30. Lots of battery, it's ticking away. One-handed in the snow. Ah, okay. I am equipped for this. Old ski jacket. Couple layers underneath. Let's see. I got those fancy little hand warmers from Costco, stuffed in my gloves. Of course, I've taken my glasses off now so that I could go head first into the snow and get pulverized with my eyes. It's kind of a neat experience. See the trail behind me here? You've already seen the trail in front of me. Yeah, it's a little hard on the eyes. I'm gonna maybe get out the old ski goggles. It's nice to know the brakes still work. Bike does conquer drifts. Wow, sort of. No cars. I'm good. Whoa. Okay, I hear a little snow in my spokes there. But I do have a hot water tap that I can hit the bike with before it gets put back in its resting place. Oh, a beautiful day to be outside. I would prefer South Africa or maybe Southeast Asia. Maybe Laos with their 29 COVID cases, but they're not going to let the crazies in. So anyways, I'm thinking I'm going to ride without the camera on here because I've got to cross the major street. Maybe I'll turn it back on in a second. So we have courteous people in Kingsville. Somebody let me across the busy street there, and for people that haven't seen it, this is the Peely Island Winery. You can get it delivered to your door. We can walk here in the summer. And I'm looking forward to maybe it being open next summer. McDonald's over there. Okay. I had one minor slip there at the road, only caused because of operator error. Someone might have had their hand on the throttle while they were trying to stop. It's not easy to do. You can't see the Kingsville lights during the day. Those jackasses seem to turn them off. I can't quite figure that out. Neighbors right here with their brand new shed. Or not neighbors. Working people with my dear wife. Get a few houses along here. So I guess I'll have to post something and saying that yes, you can ride with one hand almost during a snowstorm. It's supposed to end early this afternoon. And then like most winters down here, my last busy street, might as well run this until I get home. Like most winters down here, all of this will have melted by... I might try a little pedaling. Pedaling still works on this thing. Yeah, I could do almost 30 kilometers an hour in the snow. I wish my eyes could do 30 kilometers. They're going to be in trouble when I get home. I might have to park myself for the whole afternoon in front of the TV. Or in front of the computer as I try and process this video as fast as I can. Never know. I'm recording this in 5K, of which I don't have a 5K TV, and 30 frames per second. So if I wiped out, you would probably get to see a few hundred frames. But I'm coming to my turn pretty soon. Oh, hit some bumps. I must be off the road. Trying to stay with my... Oh, these darn people that walked here left their steps. Okay, now a dangerous turn right here. Woo! Okay. Through the deep snow we go. Woo. I even went up on the right spot. There's Carrie's place over there for volleyball people. And on the home stretch, hope the gate is still open. I plan to drive right in. That's the no stop sign. You should be out on your bike. There's another electric bike fan there. I don't know if he got the fat tire one or not, but that sort of do the trick. I guess the only noise I'm hearing is from my my phone connector, which my phone is in my pocket, because I think somebody would be very upset if I wiped out and didn't have a phone to call. People saying, look at a strange bugger on his bicycle. Gee, just to prove I was out. There's the new car. It's referred to as GoldenEye. Oh, oh. Snowdrifts, nothing. Okay, just another 20 feet.